you want to learn how to do Christmas lights this year in 2025 and be able to make 100,000 or even $1 million? Hey, come on April the 11th through the 13th. We're going to be teaching Christmas lights. We're going to teach you how to do setup, how to install the lights, how to take down the lights so that way you understand what you need to do and how to do it, how to hang wreaths. These are all the skills that you will learn by doing this. How to do roof safety so you don't fall off the roof, so that you don't have injuries. Last year, there was a lot of people falling off roofs, people dying, and I don't want that to happen to you. So you want to come. Not only that, I got a guest speaker of Eric Beck going to be helping me. He did over 389 jobs all by door knocking. And so he's going to teach you the skills that you need to know, how to door knock, how to find people to door knock, how to get your area where to door knock, and how to go door knock and do amazing with door knock sales. So if you want to check it out, check out April 13th or 11th through the 13th. Check the link down below. You don't want to miss out. Hope to see you then. So what are you waiting on? Why are you not signing up now? Get it right now. Otherwise, it's going to be too late and it's all going to fade away.